What's up? It's your girl Alexis. In this video, I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial. Little disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't come for me, period. So I am going to be moisturizing with a Sephora brand moisturizer. It is an all-day hydrator plus glow. I myself already have oily skin, so I don't like to use too much of this, so it's good for me. And it also comes with a face wash that kind of dries my face out. I'll put the name of that in the description box, but it kind of makes like a nice balance for my oily skin. Since my face is oily, I'm going to apply translucent powder to my T-zone, which is my chin, under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and a little bit above my brows. I usually leave this here for about a minute just so it can dry out my face, and normally I put translucent powder all over my face, but since my face wasn't as oily today, I didn't really have to do that. I'm going to be using NARS foundation in the shade Caracas. I just apply a few pumps to my face and I blend it with my Real Technique Jumbo Beauty Blender. Lately, after I blend with my beauty blender, I like to go in with my Real Technique Expert Face Brush, and I like to just press the foundation in. I feel like it takes away a little bit of the shine as well. That's something I like. I don't know if I'm tripping or if that actually works, but that's just something that I've been doing. It's concealing time! I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand, and I'm going to conceal my chin, under my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. Now I'm just going to blend my concealer with the same beauty blender. I forgot to mention that my beauty blender is a little damp. I feel like everything blends much smoother and easier when the beauty blender is damp. And ladies, please make sure you're dabbing and not rubbing, because sis, if it ain't dabbing, it ain't happening. And that's period. Now I'm going to be contouring my face with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Rich Sand. So I really like a warm face, but I like it to be very natural looking. So this contour shade is kind of just gonna leave like a little shadow. I feel like it's kind of hard to see in the video. It looks like I'm not even doing anything with contouring, but sis, let me tell you, I am. It's very neutral, natural look. My face is so oily that I have every right to bake my face, so I pretty much put this shit all over my face, my chin, under my eyes, my cheeks, my nose, my forehead. I just love it. I feel like it gives like a very beautiful finishing look. So I just set my face with this Revolution banana powder. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty contour powder in the shade Caramel Cutie, and I just kind of warm up my face with it while my face is baking. Now I'm going to use Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray to set my face, and once I spray my face, I like to press my makeup in with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to use the Morphe highlight palette to highlight my cheekbones and my nose, baby, because highlight is everything. Oh my god! That shit is blinding, okay, period. Now, for me personally, I don't really like a super blinding highlight, okay? I like to highlight and then blend in so it has more of a natural look. So this is like literally my favorite lip combo ever. I'm using Morphe Cream Lipstick in the shade Forevs, and I'm using a MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. This just gives me like such 90s vibes. Like, I just love it, and I don't really like really bright lip colors on my lips, so the dark lip liner really gives a nice contrast. Okay guys, this is the final look. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't be trying to dog me about my makeup looks, because I do not have time and I will dog you right back. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.